again, this is Emily, staff attorney at the Family Center, which is a nonprofit agency located in Brooklyn, New York. Today we're going to talk about the different ways you could be served with papers in any type of civil case. Most commonly, people are served with papers to go to court in person. That means someone you know, or maybe somebody you don't know, will come and find you either in your home, at your job, or on the street, and hand you papers personally, right in your hand. That's called in-person service. If the person serving you doesn't actually hand you the papers, but touches you with them and then puts them down on the ground, that also qualifies as in-person service. If you ever get served with papers personally, you should make a note of the day and time you were served, as well as who served you if you know who they were. A second way you could get served with papers would be by having somebody leave the papers with not you personally, but somebody who lives in your home. Normally with a person of suitable age and discretion. That's kind of an unclear term, but it goes on a case-by-case basis. For instance, a 14-year-old child who is mature and intelligent could be somebody of suitable age and discretion who can accept papers on your behalf, and the assumption is that that person will give you the papers. In a different scenario, a 14-year-old may not be a person of suitable age and discretion. It all depends on the particulars of that person. If somebody in your household receives papers on your behalf, then the requirement is also that the person serving the papers, the person on the other side of the case, mails them to you. And they have to mail them in two ways. First, they have to mail them by regular first-class mail, and second, they have to mail them by certified mail. If you ever are served with papers through somebody who is in your house and then gets them by mail, I recommend that you note down again the day and time you received the papers and how you received them, by regular mail, by certified mail, or some other way. The third most common way to be served with papers is that you find them left at your door, maybe taped to the outside of your door, left in the lobby of your building, and also mailed to you regular and certified mail. Again, it's very important to note down where exactly you found the papers, when you found them, and on what day. The reason to make these notes is because sometimes if papers are served incorrectly, if they're not served by the rules of New York State, then the case against you can be dismissed without even going toward the merits. If papers are served incorrectly, you might be able to get the case dismissed based on that and not have to go any further. Thank you.